Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm in a completely different filming location. Now let me give you a little tour. I'm basically in a little bit of a woodlands next to where my son and my daughter go to their taekwondo lessons. So they're both doing their taekwondo lessons and I thought, you know what, instead of sitting in the car, I'm going to bring my tripod with me and I'm going to do an unboxing in the woods. So that's what's happening. Let's get straight into it. Now I also brought a bottle of whiskey and a glass of ice. So I've really gone to town to try and make it a little bit more of an interesting video and not just a weirdo sitting in the woods. But yeah, cheers everyone. This is Eagle Rare, aged 10 years. 45%, really nice whiskey. Very nice indeed. So let's get straight into the video. Now this arrived today through my door. It's from Louis. I know that because I can see the return address on the other side. And I wasn't actually sure whether this was September's Bull and Bear bar or whether this was the Stackers Social 2025 poker chip. But after flipping it round and seeing the P on this side, I do think this is going to be the 2025 Stackers Social Silver Poker Chip. So extremely excited to get into this. This has been a long time coming. From when Louis first announced they were bringing out a 2025 poker chip to when it was actually released. It has actually been a number of months now, so I've really been looking forward to getting into this unboxing, seeing how it looks. I was lucky enough to pick up the 2024 version as well. And I believe there's still a few of these available. If you go over to Louis' website, I think there might be 5 or 6 of these left for sale. So it's a very low mintage. But like I said, if you go over to Louis' website, I will leave a link to their website in today's video description. But if you head over, there should actually be a couple of these still available. So if you're interested in grabbing one, they're a limited mintage. And this is actually a Privy marked 1K version. And that is because this is to celebrate Stackers Social hitting 1,000 members. So really cool, really special piece, and let's get straight into it. It's actually raining, so I'm trying to shelter underneath these trees, but I'm hoping the rain doesn't come through and ruin today's video. At the moment we're alright. The main concern is my whiskey being watered down. Already got some ice cubes in it. Oh, this is interesting. This is a new COA. I haven't seen one of these before from Louis. It's a premium cardboard. Almost feels a bit like a credit card material. Certificate of Authenticity, limited edition number 2. Serial number, Stackers Social 032. Weight is 33.4 grams, so quite nicely over the ounce mark. 39's fine, 2025, and that's for Louis' website there. And on this side it says Stackers Social 2025 Stackers Social limited edition poker chip. Really nice COA that. I really like that. Pop it there. And let's have a look at the star of the show. Wow, it's in a capsule as well. Wow, that is incredible. Now I'm going to have to take it out of the capsule. I need to feel it in the hand. With it being poured silver, it's not a proof piece, so I can actually hold it and play around with it. There is the Privy mark that I was talking to you about at the beginning of the video. That celebrates Stackers Social hitting 1,000 members. We've got the handshake logo on there to represent the handshake emoji that everyone does in the mornings when they're saying hello to each other in Stackers Social. We've got the Louis hallmark in there to prove that it's 39's fine. Really nice thickness to this piece. And on this side we have the Stackers Social logo and it says 2025. Absolutely stunning piece of silver. And I've said it many times before that is your stack even a stack if you haven't got a Stackers Social piece of silver within it. I don't think it is. Let me know in the comment section if you have a piece of Stackers Social Silver in your stack. If you haven't, this could be a piece that you pick up. Like I said, there are 5 or 6 of these left for sale. All of these are sand casted. They look like a pressed round because they look really uniformed and they fit in a capsule, but they are actually sand casted into sand. So extremely talented, the team over at Valui. Absolutely stunning piece of silver. Such a great piece to have in my collection. So thanks very much for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. A little bit of a different setup today. Hopefully when I head back to the car now, I'm not going to get drenched. The rain has slowed down a little bit, which is nice to see. I'm just going to pop this back in its capsule whilst we head back to the car. But yeah, really nice COA there as well. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. Let me know if you managed to grab one of these. Like I said, it is a very, very low mintage. There's not many of these that are going to be released this year. So if you're one of the lucky ones to get hold of one of these, it is definitely something to add to your collection and put into your deep stack. So thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and hype today's video if you can see the hype option down below. And as always, I hope you have a very nice day.